first request which we have given is all the fishermen who are out in the deep sea have been requested to return to the shore by the morning of 21st October. Because like you have squally winds that can prevail over the sea areas, ranging from wind speeds of 35 kilometers per hour to 45 kilometers per hour, gusting to 55 kmph. Fishermen have been advised not to venture into the sea. Gradually, rainfall activity will increase as the system comes closer to the coast. So we are monitoring closely, and once the Bay of Bengal system intensifies into a depression, we can expect a very heavy rainfall activity over the north coastal districts of Tamil Nadu and some nearby interior districts.